What is that you see on your screens? Is that Ed on your screen? No, it's not me. Honestly, I didn't think that through. I didn't know what I should have said later. Wait, cut. I'm back. I'm not back for a long time, but I'm back for a good time. Yes, sir. That one, editor, make sure that one is the first clip. Don't change it. That one, that little cut. It's been a while since we've done a Joseph Dari video. Yes, sir. So let's hit it.
Yeah.
I always ask this, but like that lady that took off her shirt, like, did she go home like that? Or at the end of the shoot, they gave her the shirt? Because, like, oh, but it's, in this generation, there are people that are actually doing that. So,
this boot, time it's America B. Hamasibi, Rauja life when I was speed. Lick hey, Sekerata wish. Throwing shots at me when I no miss. Top chef, Lishera or I cook. Dog trade, ya panisha cook. Sex position, Castana Saho. Go tell YouTube and check a go. I get work, the Beja Mario Mood. What's good, YouTube? My name is Joseph Dari. I'm back again with another video. Hi, my man. How are you? Why you look so tall, my man? I hate tall men because I don't know where you guys are going. When you guys die, your
I just want to say, looking at outside is late. That's one. The way they're dressed, because I can tell. Look at how the waves are coming in. It's cold. It's cold out there. Yet both of them, the only thing he's wearing is shorts, I assume. I pray shorts is not the only thing he's wearing, and she's only wearing a bikini. So, like, is temperature not a concept to this couple? But I'm gonna let it slide.
You know what's crazy is this is good, bro. This is good. But why not put this energy into a job or something? Like,
oh, your casket.
And also, who goes to the beach like dressed like this at this time of day? If you're not a swimmer, Olympian, like a proper swimmer or a lifeguard, because I used to do that type of stuff. This is not the right time to go to the beach.
It becomes big and we don't know how to carry it. How can you carry a casket this tall? So should we cut your legs after you die?
Valid question.
Now, who coming to your funeral? What should we do?
If you come to my funeral, you have to come there and then show your support and then
we have to carry you like this. Like this. When I now, someone has to stand here, 2, 3. A normal casket, 4 people can carry it. But for you, it needs to get 8 to 10. Others are just balancing it. I'm kidding, my brother. What's your name? Okay. Hi, my sister.
Hello.
You are beautiful. What made you love this man with big body?
Okay. Okokuqala nje umzimba wakhe wangithatha naye, but like, you know,
where did you see his body?
At a place like this, I must say, like,
oh, Mama Swimmy.
Off the rip, I feel like he's the one cheating. If I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, he looks like he's cheating.
Swimming! I don't do the swimming, my brother. I swim in the money. Nantando ukubhukuta ne?
Yeah.
Uyazi into ongayithanda ngokubhukuta in my sister. People get there with their dirty dicks. Bagijimela ngale ngamasenda angageza umbone. Even though we say like fella there is too much dirty contact. That's the reason why people have cancer.
People have cancer.
Have you ever checked the stats of cancer in KZN?
I know so.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Skin cancer.
Nothing.
No, they get it from here.
so kumasipalaza wena baby.
Oniyaqhuma nipalaza after cancer. Okay, how long have you guys been dating?
We've been dating for 4 years.
4 years.
Okay.
What makes you?
These people that have been dating for 4 years, they need to give me a tutorial. Cause damn, 4 years. Like you need to drop a tutorial.
You love her, brother?
Okay, bese ngaphandle komzimba.
Oh, Mzimba. Oh, you guys love each other based on the body.
Ngaphandle ngale ngiyasho ukuthi beside.
Oh.
So like personality yakhe. Personality
Also.
Okay, bese kodwa nje personality yakhe.
As for 360.
Ubiyena nje first nje.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the oh my days.
After Mzimba.
Yeah, after umzimba ngeke phela ukwazi ukujola nomuntu oyiplangi first uyabona.
Oh,
Oyiplangi.
can't wena, what are you dating? You dating the body or you dating the person?
I'm dating the
No, like umfazi kumele agcwale ephilifeni.
My sister, not all of you guys are gonna look like this. Not all of them.
For those who do not understand what he just said is, he doesn't want to date. No. My wall actually has some stuff. This might be thicker than a lot of people. Like my wall has some bumps, so this might actually be thicker than some of them. But like you get the gist.
They're gonna look like this, and not everyone. So you, my sister, you're telling me a guy like me won't date him? I don't have 6-pack, man. When I wake up, I eat fake cooks.
Yes.
My stomach
Involve me.
raises.
I don't have a 6-pack.
You don't have, but you have a body there. I'm sure you gym.
Phela gym ngale.
Abajimayo abayi ezulwini.
Ngoba uyithatha blonde le.
Banomoya we-wrestling. You guys have amadimoni we-wrestling. Mele nithathe la nifuna upastor wami azonithandazela.
Cha phela ama ujimela abantu mfethu. Ujimela nje ukubona umzimba alright.
Now we are gym.
I don't, but sometimes
So
we have
this is
to work
your own
out.
this is your own body like this.
Yes, this is my own body.
You didn't go to Turkey.
Aye.
Natal banama take wow. They take it from the yeah.
I didn't.
Can you guys
Turkey
tell
is
people
crazy.
that goes to Turkey how do you guys get their bodies? Maybe there's a formula. Eat uput baba. I'm lying.
Aye. Idla uphuthu uyabona nje udla amasi kodwa nawe ke Nkosi
Wenzeni?
yami, ungadla ama-
Guys, I genuinely think I'm built like this guy.
You smell that? I smell cap.
I'll never like take my shirt off on camera. Like that's crazy to show off, but like I feel like I'm built like this guy. Not Joseph, the guy next to him. Like physique and everything, we look kind of similar, except for that outie belly button. That thing freaks me out.
mafutha kakhulu phela.
Ungadla mafutha kakhulu. So you know what I mean, my brother. Don't look like me like that. I'm not scared. I see you are big. I'm scared, but I'm not scared. But I'm scared. Like, have you ever been scared but not scared? You're like, okay, manga sugala ungangishaya, but I'm still not gonna respect you. I'm still gonna still say talk. Yabo? Mara, it's fine. Don't look at me like that. I just want you guys to exchange phone for 60 seconds. Sibone ukuthi angichitela mina, yabo? Before nhamba vele, yabo?
Amafoni.
Yeah.
Ngobani ba?
Ufuna ukubona ukuthi amchitela umama nawe. Do you mind?
No,
Do you mind?
I think I don't mind.
Do you mind?
But
Imake first ngiye why ngempela.
Uyaminder.
Why phela
Ukuthi kanti like is a relationship yenu, is it strong?
yes, it is.
yeah.
It's true.
Do you think a phone can break a relationship? Oh, yeah, boy.
The starter is
Why
crazy.
not? Mina I just do content. See ukuthi bakhona abantu abanjengani abaloyal.
Cha kodwa phela bese
Loyal people on earth, you guys, if you guys agree with the phones. Funa ukubona, it's just a test. Content, my brother, YouTube. My sister doesn't mind.
cha phela kodwa ngoba
L cameraman.
Wena uyamind ane?
W cameraman.
mani mara.
Nsizwa, mamchitela mtshele ke.
Nah, don't cheat. I'm just asking why exchange.
My sister, you don't mind, ne?
I
Oh, okay. I see why he was talking about the body. Okay.
I'm cheating.
okay ke masasiche baby my phone if I would cheat because nami angicheat.
No, cheat my sister.
Yeah.
Na iphone wakhe, siku WhatsApp. Ufunani? Lethe yakho.
Cha phela ngani?
Sizocheka neyakho ibambe esandleni. Esandleni bakwethu.
They're not cold.
Uzobanjwa uyena.
Baby.
Angisho lenginika wena.
Don't cheat love.
You are shaking.
No, I'm not cheating.
We are checking, my man. We are checking.
No, no.
The shaking is in you. Like checkers. I'm kidding, it's just jokes, Shana. I'm just joking. Yo. Hey, my brother, your body's intimidating me, ne? Manje, okay. Do you know this? Okay, ubambe kanjalo, my sister. Are you okay, my brother?
What's on the phone?
Such I love you at the top, my brother. But did you see that?
Yeah, I do.
Ish. It's bad, eh?
Very bad.
It's bad, eh?
What did you see that's bad?
Okay, my brother. Such I love you, bro. Such I love you, bro. Well, we pack a young. Oh, I'm sure like into.
You said you must search for everything.
How long have you guys been dating?
4 years.
4 years, manch. Oh my God, sister. So you check out the phone. What about Ish? I see now you are. Don't. Why you wanna cry? Don't cry. Don't cry.
Yo, bethu uthi. Yo.
Don't cry.
Angazi ngithi.
Don't cry.
4 years wonke.
Don't cry.
Wait. That has to be the fast. That's a record-breaking court, man. They just give phones and already he's caught cheating. Oh my days. Because like, they haven't said anything, but the way that Joseph is like, don't cry, and she looks like, oh, that has to be a record. Like, bro, how freaky are you that you've been caught like the moment you hand your phone? Oh my gosh, broski.
Oban.
Caphela nehlobo.
Oh, wait, my sister. So I check your phone. Don't worry.
Already, they just gave her the phone.
This has to be you. Okay. I love you, babe. Babe. Okay. So you are not cheating?
Yes.
You are coming nice. You are coming nice. You are coming nice. You are coming nice.
She's
You're
not
coming
a
nice.
cheater.
You're coming nice. She's coming nice. I see more of you. Such I miss you. It's coming nice. So Mara, we are enjoy it, no put.
Yeah.
Oh. We are enjoy mama baba. How kanjani ungeke umenjoy kanjani? Ay. Questions wami now awafuna ama-answer. I'm kidding, man. Okay. I see you. Like Tyler. See iphelela la.
Yeah, iphelela.
Okay. It's Tyler sex. So what do you do, my sister?
I'm studying.
Oh, you're studying.
Okay.
Oh.
Still got your life ahead of you.
What do you wanna be when you grow up? After studying?
I want to become a nurse.
Nurse. Studying for nursing.
Yes.
Shout out, my sister. You wanna make people's life come nice, ne?
Yes.
That's perfect. Do you know what I mean? I dated a nurse.
Attend
It's
me.
just that
What?
she played my heart in opposite way. Hey, you know they lie, but do you guys lie? And I heard that nurses they see a lot of penises in
What?
hospital, and they compare them to their own people's penises.
Aye.
Have you ever seen a bigger one at work? And then you wanna?
Wait.
I'm sure you can't be a.
Wait, pause on that question. What? Oh my gosh, that's not a question another man should be
Can't be a
asking.
nurse without practicing. You see, if don't worry, my brother, when I are cheating, man. Okay, when I are cheating, search pregnancy there. See if my sister never terminated one, because I see you are not pregnant, my sister. Hey, you are no longer so nice, ne? And I saw how happy you were, my sister, when I got here. Hey,
Damn,
okay, it's fine.
it got dark really quick.
Are you okay, my brother? Oh yeah, shake it, my brother, like my heel. Umqombothi awushakiwe, my brother. Ushekela umqombothi wenzo kanjalo. Umqombothi is made like that. Why are you shaking it? Okay, I'm a picture of my sister phelela la. Okay, sharp. Bamba kanjalo, my brother. Open yours for us. Or ngayifaka ebhekeni my sister or hayi ibambe kanjalo ngoba my sister eyakho hey ukho sase uye lo muntu phela. Batheni? He said what? Lying. Who's on your profile picture bafo? Cousin yakho. So umuhle ngalendlela ukuthi umbeke profile picture.
Caphela to show each
I
other.
open the phone.
I assume he's not talking about profile picture. I'm assuming he's talking about wallpaper. But like, you know how much goal you have to have to have some other woman as your profile picture while you're with the woman you've been with for 4 years. That's insane. Involve me.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yo. Waba kanje hey cousin wakhe. So mbeke profile picture firstly.
I
Wallpaper profile picture.
You see, I was right.
Wallpaper. Thank you, my sister. Such I love you at the top. Tell her the truth. Who's that? Be honest, Metogo. Be honest,
I'm being honest with you.
You look like an honest man. You play rugby.
Yeah.
How can you play rugby and lie? How are you gonna play for Bafana Bafana? You're gonna score on the other side.
What?
Be honest. So your name is Kutwana, my brother.
Damn.
Yeah?
Cousin, bro.
What cousin? No ring. Them patla say Malin. You are lying, ne?
Yeah.
Amali.
Look, my sister. Look. I love you too, mama.
Amanuti.
Look.
Involve me. Sorry. Whoa. I apologize. That just slipped out.
Yo. And
Come back. Who's Kutwana, my brother?
There's more. You greedy clown, bro. You greedy clown.
Kutlano is
musuchaza.
Ubani uKutwana?
Unamanga. How come ngayazi cousin yakho eh? Oh, shuthi wena.
Umsendela I love you, my sister. There's no way cousin yakhe.
baby.
Ana.
Sana sam.
Kanjani?
You see, nudes are the reason I wanna stop doing this content because I see bigger things in here every time. You. I even feel like I'm a noob. What are you saying, my brother?
First, cousin, brother, first.
Be honest, my sister. Stop lying to her.
Sapela, we tell each other.
Maybe I'm cheating. Okay.
Kanjani? Ukazini
You know how I know this guy is dumb? Because there's such thing called view once. But no, they don't believe in that trickery. Me, I'm not a serial cheater. I have no one in my life currently. But I know the common sense of a view once.
No, uthi cousin wakhe, my sister. Let me search sex. Somebody's book. I love you without sex, and I'll always love you.
Yo.
Look, my sister.
You really have.
Now buga nathi. Sukubugisa.
Read the message out loud.
Cousin le. Buga, my brother. Cousin le. Stop lying, my brother.
Uzuyatyper uthi you really gave me the best sex. Mina kanti bengiyenzani eh?
What was she doing, my brother?
Sapela, first.
Uyangikwatisa.
Baby, what is sana sam?
Akunasithanda sami la kanjani? Kanjani baby kanjani? So wallpaper yakho. Oh, that's why umzala. Dala, sukela 2 weeks back bongafuni nefone yakho wena. Why?
Umzala nje.
Mara yami phone yakho.
Okay, wait, my brother. So
Wait,
umzala wakho
what?
nomntwana together. My sister come.
Namsuku ungibamba,
Look, my sister.
Don't touch her.
Cousin enjani le? Bona banomntwana together. Look.
Umntwana.
Baby.
Umntwana baby.
Look.
Emva kwesikhathi singaka.
Beside this drama that's happening right in front of me, when did it get that dark, bro? When did it get that dark? For 40 minutes and it got darker and darker. Oh my days.
I'm sure it's
Wait,
already
stay here, my brother. Stay here. How long?
Wait, what do you mean he wasn't ready? Aren't you a student, ma'am? Don't you have a future ahead of you? What do you mean a kid now? Oh my days. People are not serious.
How old is your kid? I know it's too long. How old is he?
I'm not 3 years.
3 years. How long have you guys been dating? 4 years.
4 years.
Hey, my brother, how long have you been cheating on this woman? Or you are cheating with her?
You're cheating with her.
First.
You're cheating with her because
Who
like
came first between her and the good one?
My first.
Good one. Oh. Uthi good one uze kuqala, my sister. It doesn't take you
Yeah.
serious.
I realized that
This is an
this is
accident.
an accident.
So if
uchita ngaye.
Ima uchi
Cheat, bro.
Mara kanti what's going on
Yani,
nata?
uyazibona ukuthi nawe lento ichaza ayihlangani.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Bengisazokutshela isikhathi masesikayo.
Nini masiceda ukubuya siyowenza amalavidavu wena ufuna ukungitshela amabhedi.
Bengeka kutshele my sister.
Ene bekangeke
Bengeke,
vele.
bazothubeka iskill
Shout him.
Ifoni yakhe mangicela angibhekisa ama-phone
Shout him.
ifoni yami i-off cause iyacharge bekangafuni
So mawufuna ukubuka ama-movie ephone yakhe akafuni.
akavumi.
Obeyazi ama-message azongena.
Shout him.
Uthanda abantu between them.
Shout him.
Say you
Normally,
love
shout him.
Kutwana, my brother, so other men can like have a chance to have a beautiful wife.
Baby ngiyakwazi akho nicamba manga uyashake manje.
Washake.
Big boy.
Cha phela anganeki abantu.
Batista washake.
Kubandani asiqali thina
Be
lento
honest,
esiyenza
my
lana
dog.
siqala ukuthi sihambe siyolandla ebusuku
Baby,
sometimes kuphinde kune basi baby
Angane
sithi
phela
yimi
manje.
isilima ne imini bari la
Yes.
ibari mina nawe
Siyabona manje
bese
mfethu.
Manje mina ngenzeni
ukutana ufike unomntana una 3 years
How long have you been dating Kutwano kanti?
6 years.
6 years.
kuba nomntana kanjani nokutlwana ni date 6
So, oh my gosh. How do these guys do it though? Like genuinely, how do they do it where they have a long-term relationship and then they cheat on that person with another person and create an inside long-term relationship. So now you have 2 long-term relationships and none of them know, oh, how are you doing this? Like, is this not a lot of work?
years okay ke washela mina usasenayo wathola umuntu waba pregnant wathola umntana but still uza kimi uphindela
So wena ufuna umntwana my sister.
ayi bengamfuni umntana
Oh, okay. She didn't want a kid.
So wena wenzani ngaye lo? Yamshiya?
ayi makasale nokutlwana angisho uyena ukuyihappy wena
Ukuyi-happy relationship.
ukuyihappy
Family.
yeah une family
Family.
yaso.
You are a family man.
Phela nathi soqala wethu.
mina every time abangishela ngiyabatshela ukuthi nginomuntu engiloyal kuye
Mara manje ngeke usasho.
ngiyibhari
Would you still say you have a person my sister?
never baba
Oh.
Voice.
We're
She
disappointed.
says it's over.
Yeah.
She says over.
It's
ne?
not,
Yeah,
baba.
pelile.
Bye, mama. She says it's over.
pelile baba
Pelile baba. What do you want to explain, my brother? You want to apologize? Apologize.
Yeah, baby, lalela simo sami. Lento njengoba ngisho baby. Njengoba
Njengoba umntana ngekho every day ufanele mina ngibuke
Ingane
yakho ingikhumbuza ukuthi wena
abayenze
abayenze ngikhona hayi uyangidelela
Wait, talk slow.
wena ungijwayela ngaba ubaza abantu wena hayi ngiyamshiya ngizomenzani hamba
njengoba ngisho bengizokutshela baby isikhathi
He's
mase.
lying.
mara nami ngibedomyo befanele ngabe ngiyazi ukuthi uma unebody so vele amantombazana ozokulandela
Congratulations.
You played yourself.
ene ushilo
Sala sami lalela.
He thinks it's the shit. Why you guys think this
baby.
body is the shit? Money is the shit.
Yeah.
So my sister, when I say you're done with him, okay, it's fine. My brother, leave her. Give her the
Hey,
phone.
my baby,
She wants to
stop.
leave you.
It is Xhoxa baby.
Usambiza baby,
Baba
my sister.
bengizokutshela baby.
Give us her phone, my brother.
angisho ngiyikhola lokuthi ngiyamthanda kakhulu
Siboleke iphone yakhe.
ngiphila ngicela ifoni yami
Baby ngizokunikeza ifoni mase sihamba.
Nigga, my brother. My sister, I would like to get your numbers. Do you mind if I give you my numbers? How much?
Yo.
Okay, it's fine. My
Me
brother,
too.
Angisho my sister, she's singing. You are singing
wena
with my sister.
ngisingile
Sure,
mina
are you ready?
Oh,
Are you
no.
ready to mingle?
and I'm ready to mingle
Damn.
I don't have time for ukhala
Sir, she said that bar for bar, script for script, she's single and ready to mingle. You've lost her.
qaphathi
And then
ngiyile
bese kunomntwana aside in my sister. There's people that don't
Gaslighting.
even have kids.
Mina ngihlobisile ngistage phambi kwakho.
usangibiza ngesithando sakho
Cha njengoba ngisho baby bengizokutshela
Baby, kuba-
Ngakatshela my sister ngicela ukukunikeza inamba mina anginezibhaya mina.
Ima baby ima.
awucela ungiyeka
My brother, can
Isithando
you stand
sakho
here and
ngikucwana.
tell us
And,
what are you
please,
saying? What are you
shift.
saying?
Cela usinikeze isikhala
Space.
nomuntu
Give us-
omusha maybe
Oh, I'm the- Don't worry, my brother.
wena uyachita mos
We are connecting
intoloyela
to the
uyifuni
spirit.
na uyaza ngisho
We're connecting through the spirit.
I figured out how. Hold up, let me make myself big. I figured out how to get a girlfriend. Okay, not necessarily a girlfriend, but like in this situation, right? I do this type of content, right? And then we find someone that is so heartbroken I'll be like, okay, since you're single, let me. And because the emotions are so, they're so angry, right? They'll give me the number regardless, and for the next 2 weeks, it will go. It will just keep inclining until the emotions, they've actually forgotten about that guy, and that's when the thing is at its highest, and there's no turning back from there. You understand? Huh? I've got it. The vision is here. I've got it. Hold did my mouse switch off? I'm a genius.
Great, my brother.
Ayongena.
Open my sister. Yo. Kanti yenzani le phone ingafuni ukusivulela?
Baby. Mana sithando sami phela nawe ngeke.
Wait, my brother, kanti wena bakushiyile mos.
Kanjani? She's saying all of this because of wena mfowethu.
No, yeah, she's leaving you. Angry you are leaving him for yourself, my sister.
Ngiyawusiya baba.
Musiye.
Ngiyawusiya. Nakusawurata ibilani. Entwele. Akinya kubua wena. Akinya kumfonela. Akinya kuthi ibilani akinya.
Last I would my sister mujwethe. Even if I would, people are
Sithando sami ukwazi ukulalela lo muntu.
Kanthwara ungangibambi. Or ufuna ngithethe isixhosa ke ngoku. Sunibamba.
Kaloku.
Damn.
Uzabona kodwa nawe mana mfowethu.
Here's my number, my sister. Edit. My name is Joseph. My name is Joseph.
Did you guys speak the vision that I got? I clocked it.
Ha, angahamba my sister ne? Awusana ndaba. Bathi hamba. Bye bye. Hamba.
Them telling you bye bye is crazy.
Baba hamba.
Bona first now uyabheda ke lento yenzayo manje.
Kanjani? Khuluma nemedia yakho, ungakhulumi nami. Don't face your problems on me. Icherry naye yakho, angisho yakushiya. And mara
Cha phela kuwena.
so my sister, would you mind?
Wena okay mina mangihleli nawe every day wena bawuhlezi ucabangana nokuhlwana wakho.
My sister, do you mind if I take you out tomorrow?
It's
Even
fine,
today.
brother, it's
Today.
fine. Even now vele.
Uyogeza so out. Yeah.
Lo muntu vele inhloso yakhe ukwenza lento le. Angani noma uyamvumela.
Go like that, it's okay.
Inkoso yami ukuthi ngimcela ukumkhisa.
Hayi ngekwazi phela ukuthi kwenzeke.
Inkoso yami mara ngifuna ukuthi kanjalo wena
Cha
ungahamba.
ngekwazi.
Ngobani?
Awungibotshi simawenza lo.
Uma sonithola
Wena unecheri mos.
Cha baby lalela.
Unecheri mos. Awunayo.
Are you still fighting this, broski? Like, you've dated. Oh my gosh. She must.
Icheri kanti.
Cha phela mawenza leyo nto sithando sami uyangichukuluza phela.
Ukhulu kuzani my brother. My sister me out wait my brother ngisho wena bakushile manje isikhathi sami I'm entering my
Yes.
sister manje mina my brother leave her.
Bamba ndithe sundibamba kanti ingxaki yakho iphi
My sister,
uthena
come here,
ungandiva
come here. Come here my sister, come here
Baby.
my brother bari leave
Damn.
hamba
bari
Baby.
leave
Ima voice ima.
uthi leave my brother.
Akazisholo yena phela sithando sami lalela baby.
Tell him my sister to leave
hamba
Ooh.
or ufuna ngimkhisi.
Kuyakwenzeka lokho mfethu.
Why?
Owami lo muntu.
Why you wanna see?
Owami lo muntu.
You wanna see?
Kuyakwenzeka.
You want to see?
Me, I'm a magician.
Kuyafana ngisho
You
manje.
want this?
ngobani indaba usho njalo
Do you want this?
Kuyakwenza lokho.
ngeke ngikwenze lokho
Ngiyakwenza lokho. Uyangisukela phela manje.
My sister ngicela ukukhisa mina.
Babe, mana
Leave my
Oh.
sister alone.
Ah. Ha. They're still going.
My brother was to step. Why wenzani manje? Relax. My sister, I still want that kiss a little bit more.
She went back again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, block the
Kulunge
camera.
kanjani, my brother. Is kulunge makusho thina. Why
usho wena ujalana kuhlanya
mina I have my
She-
person here, my
Wait.
brother. Bye bye.
She really went back again. Insane.
Shuthi vele into obuhlezi uyenza le.
akulungile pho indaba ungayifica ngefonini yami
Cha phela
indaba sifica kweyakhe ifoni kwami
sana sami emva kwesizwe zonke izinto esidlule kuwena kuzona mina nawe usuzongumeni ngenza
My
kanje.
sister alone, brother. She's already taken. You can see she's taken. It's no longer yours.
Ima ungenza kanje.
When you play with her, what did you think?
Sayimina lo.
What did you think you were? Udlala naye.
I think officially I need to start this content. This type of content. Not because of the kids, just because like I think there's some people that are in relationships that shouldn't be because they too trusting. I feel like I'm the person to I want to say this, I want to repeat this again, not because of the kids I just saw and the many we've seen on this channel, but because I feel like it's my part in society to help these women.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
Oh, also, like, just women though.
They replaced you. They replaced you. They replaced you. Bye-bye. Leave
Holding
us,
your
my
girl
brother.
by
We
the
don't want to
by
be
the
out
hips
here
is
with
crazy.
you, with your black pen. Bye-bye, my brother. Are you going to go back to him?
Never.
100%.
100%.
You know, I was recently told that holding a hand by the hips is kind of crazy. That's why I just mentioned it, like, cause I didn't thought it was as crazy as it looks, cause like you're just holding someone by the side. It's not crazy.
It's me, my
I
sister.
promised you.
Baby,
Bye-bye, my brother.
akwakho umndeni mina nawe.
Wena
Unomndeni,
ufuna
Musi.
ukuba nemindeni emithu.
Cha phela
Kuyini?
kuyenzeka ngane sithando sami kunento ekuthiwa isithembu nje.
Evan, Sithembu ungasproposanga. My sister, do you still want him here? Should we leave? Should we leave him? Okay, take your things. Let's leave. Baby, leave my sister, brother. Ow.
Wait, I think I saw something there. Something moved. Wait, something moved. Wait.
Leave my sister, brother. Ow.
Like I don't know what it is, but I'm seeing something move there. Like in the near. Okay, wait.
Leave my sister, brother.
Wait.
Ow.
I can't. Where is it? I just saw it, like it was like meow. It was like meow. Like, oh my gosh. Let's look one more time.
Baby, leave my sister, brother.
Yeah, no, I'm not finding it, guys. I saw it the first time. I don't know what happened this time. I think it was like, I think like something, maybe like something flew on my screen, and then I thought it was there, but I'm not 100% sure. So like,
My sister, Raful. Let's go, my sister. My brother, don't come with us. Where are you going?
you've lost this battle, my guy.
Evan.
You've lost this battle.
Evan, that man.
W camera,
Let me
man.
hold the shoes for you, my sister. Let me be a gentleman. You will change in my car. Eish.
Oh,
But are you
cameraman.
okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Why is the cameraman standing so close?
Yeah? Well, I don't. Someone said he's playing with me. I want to take you out tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna keep.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay. I want us to wait. Let me finish my video. Then after that, yeah. At least, yeah, boy. Do what you do, man. I keep on doing what I do best. My name is Joseph Dari. By the way, I said I stopped kissing people, and I really stopped kissing people. But when they tempt me, I'm gonna kiss them. But this is surely my last kiss in the whole industry of kissing people.
Long story short, he lied. There was many more to come. I can already sense it. He lied. But hey, man, that's the end of that video and this video. You know, nothing too crazy today. Nothing too crazy. I got a question to ask you. Like, is it crazy to call a hun and tell her that you